Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Last week, my husband ordered a new vacuum cleaner and it arrived yesterday. Today we're going to unpack it and I want to share to you how it looks and the functions that made us decide to splurge for this. This vacuum cleaner is my husband's longtime dream. For the 10 years of our marriage, this is the first time that we ever spent for a vacuum cleaner because the old vacuum cleaner that we used was a hand-me-down from my mother-in-law and it finally broke down. So my husband decided to really go for the brand that he always wanted to have. So this brand is what we call Vorwerk, and the particular name of the vacuum is Cobalt. This is a German brand, I believe, but they also have it in the UK and they also shipped internationally. So this is one of the most expensive vacuum cleaners available in the market, but the price range is depending on the set that you will buy. So if you just want the vacuum cleaner and the basic vacuum cleaner, it will cost you about 900 euro or about 1,000, at least less than 1,000. But if you buy the complete set, which includes the brush for or the vacuum for the sofa and some tubes that will help you clean cat or dog's hair properly. So there are other like accessories in a set, and my husband went for the entire set, yeah, with all the accessories and also extra bags. So it cost us about 1,100 euro plus. And as we unpack, I'm going to show you the accessories included, and we're going to see how this vacuum works. We're super excited because our old vacuum cleaner was not so efficient. It was good enough, but was not very efficient in picking up cat's hair. So we will see what's the big difference of a more affordable vacuum cleaner compared to an expensive one, a splurge item. So let's have a look. Wow. Okay, so what do we have here? We have the guides. These are the filter bags. More filter bags. So these are some of the accessories. I still have to figure out how to use this. Tube. Oh wow, so this is the one that will connect to the machine. Okay, let's put here first. So this is heavy. Yeah, so let's put them all up here first. I believe this is the one that we will attach to the tube to clean the sofa. So this is going to be we're going to attach that to the tube. I want to open. I'm more excited with this one here. Wow. This is the one. The main player. So we can see here the brand name, Vorwerk, and the name of the product, Cobalt VT300. Okay, so the plug is hidden there, so you can just pull it out and it will get back in. All right, so
yep.
okay. So what is this? Yeah, so I had no idea what was this for. My husband showed me that it's to connect to this tube and to the cleaner. Is that what you call that here? So this is how it's gonna look. Now let's try it. Okay, so that's all for the bag. So guys, this is a really dirty carpet here in our foyer, and let's see how good this vacuum cleaner will clean it. And it's really nice. Hey, look! Tap all the hair. guys, what I really noticed is that it's very light. You just press it and then it just goes by itself. It requires minimum energy, unlike our old vacuum, which was really heavy because I had to carry everything. The entire weight was in there. This one is really light, so I don't think I will get so sweaty when I have to vacuum the entire floor.
Mommy, you have a new one, Mommy.
Yeah, this is a new one. And yeah, I'm really happy with this. I can say that the price that we paid for it is really worth it. And I think I'll be enjoying cleaning the floor with the vacuum. So now what we're gonna try is the brush that's special for the furnitures. And our sofa is really full of cat's hair, and we need a really good one to pick up all the hair. So let's try it. My son is making a mistake.
Okay.
Ay, it clipped already. My husband explained to me how this works. So if this part is on this side, this is what works. So it's going to clean. This area will be the one cleaning. But if you get to the edges that you have to clean, so you have to move that there, and then the air here will be the one to suck the dusts and the hair or whatever particles. So this is to adjust. Yeah. So let's try this one. I'm gonna press it there. I'm going to clean. This is my cat's bed. So we're now done with the trial of our new vacuum cleaner. I'm very happy to say that this is such a good vacuum cleaner. It makes life so much easier. It's very easy to use, very light, and very efficient. It's able to grab a lot more than our old vacuum cleaner. And this is also, this accessory is also very important, especially if you have pets. So I would say it's really worth the money. I'm sure that this will last us a really long time. So it's going to be a part of our family. Brian, if you're looking for a new vacuum cleaner that's very efficient and easy to use, check out this brand, the Forvac. And this is the product is Cobalt. This is not sponsored. Just for a disclaimer, this is not sponsored. So that's about my trial of this new vacuum cleaner. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something from this. See you again in my next video. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel and please click like. Thank you and bye.